Hello everyone, welcome back to Shivik Tutorials. Today we are going to solve some problems on rational numbers. State which of the following is true or false. First one is every whole number is rational. As we know that whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And rational numbers are nothing but fraction of two integers like 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 like this. Fraction of two integers, one is integer, two is also integer, so fraction of two integer is rational numbers. Whole number is 0 1 2 3. This I can represent as 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, because 1 in the denominator, so it does not change the value of 0. 0 by 1 is same as 0, 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 1 is also 1. So every whole number is rational. You can represent whole number in the form of rational numbers. So this is true. Now what about second one? Every rational number is a whole number. This is rational number, this is rational, this is rational. 1 by 2 is rational. 3 by 2 is rational. It is not whole. Because 1 by 2 it is a fraction of two integers. But 2 by 2 is a whole number. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 3 by 3 is 1. It is whole number. 2 by 2, 3 by 2. But every rational number is not a whole number. Few. 2 by 2, 3 by 3. I can say that these are whole numbers as well as rational numbers. But every rational number is not a whole number. So this is false. 0 is a rational number. 0 by anything. 0 by 1. 0 by 2. 0 by anything is 0 only. This is 0. This is also 0. So 0 is a rational number, whole number, and 0 by 1, 0 by 2, this is rational. 0 is an integer, 1 is also integer. So 0 is a rational number. Yes, this is true. Now find a rational number between two rational numbers. See, 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. Between these two numbers, we have to find a rational number. First sum, 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. Suppose this is the line. 3 by 7 is, suppose 3 by 7 is here and 5 by 14 is here. So we have to find a number in between these two numbers. Number we are finding here between these two numbers. So we will take average of these two, or we'll simply add these two and divide by 2. So 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14, add this and then divide by 2. Now we are adding two fractions, so we'll take LCM of the denominator. This is 7, 14. We'll take LCM of this. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. This is comma actually. 2 ones are 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So this is 7 twos are 14. So this will come in the denominator. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 2 threes are 6 plus 1 fives are 5. This divided by 2 is equal to 5 plus 6 is 11 by 14, and this divided by 2. 2 in the denominator. So what we will do here, 2 upon nothing is here, so we'll put 1 here. Now we'll take inverse of this, 11 by 14. Now this division sign, I'm putting multiplication sign, and we'll take inverse of these. 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So now the answer is 11 ones are 11 upon 14 twos are 28. This is our answer. Now we will solve second one. 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Now if we have to represent this on a number line, because this is in minus, so it will come to the left of the 0. Suppose this is a number line, so plus will come here on the right hand side and minus will come on the left hand side. Now we have to find a number between these two numbers. So again we will add. As we are adding two numbers, so we will divide by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Now this divided by 2. Plus minus is minus. I am multiplying plus with minus, so it will become minus. So 2 by 5 minus plus minus minus, so minus sign, 1 by 3. This is divided by 2. As both are prime numbers, so we will multiply this. 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Always multiply this term first, a into c first, minus 5 1s are 5. This divided by 2. Now 6 minus 5 is 1 by 15. This is divided by 2. 1 by 15 divided by 2. Nothing is in the denominator, so I am writing 1. Now this is 1 by 15. Division, I am putting a multiplication sign here, and I will take inverse of this. This 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Now multiply 1 1s are 1 upon 15 2s are 30. So this is the answer. We have to solve third one, minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Suppose we have to express this on the number line. This is 0. As both are with the minus sign, they will come to the left hand side. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. If the denominator is a bigger number, when you will divide, you will get a smaller number. Your division will be a smaller number. So this 1 by 2 will come here, minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 3 will come here, minus 1 by 3, close to the 0. Because if you will divide, you will get 0.5 here and here 0.33. So this is the bigger number. So closer to 0, this smaller number will come closer to 0. This is on the number line how we represent this. We have to find a number in between these two numbers. So again we will add, because we are adding two numbers, so we will divide by 2. Minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2. See, both are with the minus sign, so I am putting them in the bracket. This divided by 2. Again plus minus minus, so this number as it is, plus minus minus, so minus sign will come here, 1 by 2. This divided by 2. 3 and 2 both are prime numbers, even prime, odd prime, both are prime numbers, so we will multiply these two numbers. 3 2s are 6. Now you multiply this, a into c first. 1 2s are 2. Minus sign here, plus 2 is with the plus sign, so plus minus is minus, so we will put a minus sign here. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Again minus sign here. 1 3s are 3, so put a minus sign here in between these two. Then 1 3s are 3, write 3. This is divided by 2. Minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5 by 6. This is divided by 2. As we have to divide this by 2, we will take inverse of this. This is 2 by nothing is there, so we will put 1. So minus 5 by 6, put a multiplication sign and take inverse of this. This 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. 5 1s are 5. Minus 5, minus plus minus. This is nothing, no sign is here, so we will put a plus sign here. Plus minus minus. So minus 5 by 6 2s are 12. This is our answer. Now we have to find two rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. First one is 2 by 3 and 8 by 3. So we'll again add these two and we'll divide by 2. So 2 by 3 plus 8 by 3 divided by 2. As denominator is same, we will add. So 3 as it is, and we'll add the numerator. 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8 is 10 by 3. Now division, I am putting a multiplication sign and we'll take inverse of this. This is 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So this is 5 by 3. Now this number is in between 2 by 3 and 8 by 3. This number is here in between these two numbers. This is 5 by 3. This number is here in these two, between these two numbers. Now we have to find one more number, as we have told us that we have to find two rational numbers. So we will again take pairs, either these two or these two. Add these two number and divide by 2, or you add these two numbers and divide by 2. I am taking these two numbers, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Add these two and divide by 2. As denominator is same, I am keeping this as it is 3. Now we'll add the numerator, 2 plus 5. This is divided by 2. Now 2 plus 5 is 7 by 3. Division sign, I am putting a multiplication sign and taking inverse of this. This is 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. This is another number which is in between these two numbers. This will come here in between these two numbers, 7 by 6. Now we'll solve the second one. Minus 1 by 2, 2 by 7. Again we will add and divide by 2. As denominator is not same, so I am taking LCM. 2 sevens are 14. 7 ones are 7. Minus plus minus. So minus 7 plus plus. This 2 is also plus and this is also with plus sign. So 2 twos are 4. Plus sign in between. This divided by 2 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Always whenever minus and plus comes together, we subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3, because 7 is bigger number and this is with minus sign. So this we will put a minus sign here. Divided by 14. Division, so I'll put a multiplication sign and we'll take inverse of this. This will become 1 by 2. Now multiply. Minus 3 by 28. This is a number between these two numbers. Minus 1 by 2. 2 by 7. In between these two numbers, this number is here. Exactly in between these two numbers. Now we have to find a number. One more number. Either here or here you can find. You can take any pair. Either this pair or this one. And we will find the another number. So this is our first one. I am taking these two pairs together. Minus 3 by 28 plus 2 by 7. Divide this by 2. Now we'll take LCM. I am using a shortcut here. See, 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. This is 28 in the denominator. Now you can use this method also for taking LCM. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 2 ones are this one as it is. 2 twos are 4. Now 2 ones are 2. 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28. This is the method I am using here. Now this 1, I am cancelling these terms. So 1 threes are minus 3. 2 fours are 8, because plus sign. This is with plus sign. This is with plus sign. Plus plus is always plus. So put a plus sign here. Now we'll subtract, because minus plus. So always subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. Because 8 is bigger number, so I am writing this with a plus sign. Usually we do not write plus sign. To show you how this became plus, I am writing this plus sign. So this is the another one. This number is exactly in between these two numbers, 5 by 28. This number is here between these two numbers. Now we'll solve the third one. Minus 1 by 5 plus, and this is also with minus sign, so I am writing this in a bracket, divided by 2. Now remove this bracket and multiply. Plus minus is minus. So minus 1 by 5 plus minus minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Minus 1 and 2. 2 ones are 2. This is with plus sign. Minus plus minus. So minus 2. Minus sign here. So we'll write up with the minus sign. 1 5s are 5. So this is minus 7 by 10. This number is between these two numbers, minus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. This is exactly here in between these two numbers, minus 7 by 10. Now again take any two pairs and find another one. I'm taking these two numbers, minus 1 by 5 plus minus 7 by 10 divided by 2. Now shortcut LCM I'm taking here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So I'm writing this 10, 10 ones are 10, so 10 here. Minus 1 into 2, 2 ones are 2, minus 2, 1 sevens are 7, minus 7, because plus minus, minus, plus sign and minus sign, plus minus, minus. So this is with minus sign, divided by 2, minus 9 by 10 into, now I am putting a multiplication sign, taking inverse, this will become 1 by 2. So minus 9 by 20. This is the second one. First one, second one. This number is here in between these two numbers, minus 9 by 20, exactly in between these two numbers. Now we have to find three rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So first one is 1 by 2, 7 by 3. Same method we are using to find the third one also. First we will add these two numbers, 1 by 2 plus 7 by 3. This divided by 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Take LCM. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 7s are 14. This divided by 2 is equal to, now 14 plus 3 is 17 by 6. Now put a multiplication sign, take inverse of it. Now multiply 17 ones are 17 divided by 6 twos are 12. This is the first number. This number is between 1 by 2 and 7 by 3. This number is here. This is 17 by 12 between these two numbers. Now we have to find second number. So I'll take now these two pairs, 1 by 2 plus 17 by 12. Now I'm taking these two pairs and I'll divide this by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. I'm writing 12 here. I'm taking LCM. I'm using shortcut. You can use that method also. 6 ones are 6. Always multiply these term first. Plus 17 ones are 17 divided by 2. 17 plus 6 is 23 divided by 12 into 1 by 2. So 23 by 24. This number is here in between these two numbers, 23 by 24. So this is the second number. Now we have to find the third one. Now I will take these two numbers to find the third one. Or you can take these two numbers, any pair you can take. You can take this also, 1 by 2 and 23 by 24. This is also possible. You can take any pair. Now I am taking these two pairs, 17 by 12 and 7 by 3. So 17 by 12 plus 7 by 3, this divided by 2 is equal to, now multiply, or you can take LCM also. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 12 here, 17 ones are 17 plus 7 fours are 28 divided by 2. Now add 25. So this is 15, 1, 4, 45 by 12 into 1 by 2. So 45 divided by 24. This is the third one. So we have found, this is first one, second and third. Now second one, we'll add these two numbers and we'll divide by 2. Minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 divided by 2 is equal to, 5 sevens are 35. Because these two are prime numbers, nothing is common. So I am taking directly multiplying 35 minus 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21 minus 21 plus 5 twos are 10. This divided by 2 is equal to, now minus 21 plus 10 is minus 11 divided by 35 into, now taking inverse of this, it will become 1 by 2. So minus 11 by 70. This is the first number. This number is between these two numbers. Now we can take any pair. I am taking this minus 3 by 5 and minus 11 by 70. So minus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 70, this divided by 2. So plus minus minus 3 by 5 minus 11 by 70, this divided by 2. Now take LCM or use shortcut. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So I am writing 70 here. 14 3s are 42, minus 42, plus minus minus, again minus sign here. 11 ones are 11. This is divided by 2. Minus 42 and minus 11 is 53. Minus 53, because minus minus is always plus, but we are writing this with a minus sign because both numbers are with negative sign. So we will write this with minus sign. Minus 53 upon 70 into 1 by 2. So this is 72 is 140 minus 53. This is the second one. Now we have to find the third one. Now I am taking, see, already I have taken these two numbers. Now I will take this number with the last number. This is 2 by 7. So minus 53 by 40. Any pair you can take, any pair. Plus 2 by 7. This is divided by 2. Again I am taking LCM. This is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 0 as it is. So 140 will come in the denominator. Now multiply minus 53 into 1. So minus 53 plus 22s are 40. This divided by 2. Now minus plus is minus. So subtract. Because 53 is a bigger number, I am writing this with a minus sign. 13 by 140. This is the third number, and this number is between this number and the last one, 2 by 7. Now we will find rational number, 3 rational number between these two, 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. 2 by 5 plus 8 by 5, this is divided by 2 is equal to, see, denominator is same, so we will write 5 as it is. Now add the numerator. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is divided by 2 is equal to 10 by 5 into 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So 10 by 10, this is 1. So 2 by 5 and 8 by 5, in between these two number comes 1. 2 by 5, 8 by 5, this number 1 is here in between these two numbers. Now we will find the second one. Now I am taking these two pairs. 2 by 5 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by 1. So multiply. 2 ones are 2 plus 5 ones are 5 upon 5 ones are 5. This divided by 2 is equal to 10 by 5 into, now 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Again this is 7, sorry, this is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 by 10. So this is the number between these two numbers here. This number will come here in between these two numbers. Now we have to find one more number. So I am taking now this 7 by 10 and 1. 7 by 10 plus 1. This divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 10 plus 1 by 1 divided by 2 is equal to 7 ones are 7, 10 ones are 10. So 17. 10 ones are 10 plus 7. 17 by 10 into this 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So this is 17 by 20. This is the third one. So we have found three numbers between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. First one is 1. Second one is 7 by 10 and third one is 17 by 20. Now we have to find 9 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Our A is, this is our first term, which is 1 by 2. Second term B is 3 by 5. And number of terms which we have to find is n, which is 9. 9 terms we have to find, so our n is 9. Now we will use one formula, which is b minus a by n plus 1. Now our b is 3 by 5. Sorry. This 3 by 5 minus a is 1 by 2. This is divided by n plus 1, which is 10, is equal to, now multiply these two terms, 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5 divided by 5 2s are 10. Now this 10, I am putting a multiplication sign and taking inverse of it, so it will become 1 by 10. Now 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 10 into 10 is 100. Now this term we are going to use to find 9 terms between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. So first term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 100. So this will become 1 into 100 is, now again I am taking LCM, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, this 100 comes here. Now multiply with this 50 plus 1, so it will become 51 by 100. Now we have to find second term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus, now I am finding second term, so I will multiply with 2 into 1 by 100. So this will become 1 by 2 plus 2 by 100. Again I am taking LCM, 100 comes down. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, 50 plus 2 1s are 2. So this will become 52 by 100. 52 by 100. Now third term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 100. So this will become 1 by 2 plus 3 by 100. Again I am taking LCM, 100 is down. Now this is 50, this is 2 1s are 2, so 50 plus 3 is 53 by 100. Now fourth term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 100. So this will become 1 by 2 plus 4 by 100. 100 comes in the denominator. Now I have to multiply 50 plus 4. So this is 54 by 100. Now fifth term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 100. So 1 by 2 plus 5 by 100. Again 100. Now 50 plus 5 is 55 by 100. This is the fifth term. Now we will find sixth term. Sixth term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 6 by 100. So this is 100 here, 50 into 1 is 50 plus 6. So this will become 56 by 100. Now seventh term between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is 1 by 2 plus 7 by 100. So this 100 again comes in the denominator, and this is 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7. I am using same method. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. That is why this is 50. 50 plus 7 is 57 by 100. This is the 7th term. Now 8th, likewise, we will find the 8th term, which is same method, and you will get 58 by 100. You have to use the same method which we have been using till now. And 9th term, same method, multiply with 1 by 2 plus 9 into 1 by 2 plus 9 into 1 by 100, which is 59 by 100. So this is the 9th term. Now we have found 9 terms between two rational numbers 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Thank you for watching.